morning, students, and welcome to your English class. Children, today we will learn to make words with initial sound of BR. Look at this picture. What do you see in this picture? Yes, there are two boys in this picture. They are brothers. They are standing on a bridge. There are some bricks near the bridge. There is a branch of a tree above the bridge. Brother, bridge, bricks, branch. These words are having the initial sound of BR. Let's see some more words with BR. Brain, bread, room, crown, good job. Now you can make new words with the initial sound of BR.
Please subscribe our YouTube channel.